Hey there! Imagine a place in Machias, Maine, where families step outside for a fun mix of story time and garden adventures. That's the magic of StoryWalks. Each May, kids and parents stroll along colorful trails, reading children's books posted one page at a time, while learning about healthy, seasonal veggies. It's like a story and a garden party rolled into one. These StoryWalks started way up in Vermont and bring literacy, movement, and nutrition together so naturally you barely notice you're learning. Now, Machias has 7 awesome routes. Some teach about soil with carrots and kale. Others show you how to eat the rainbow with strawberries and peppers. There are games, scavenger hunts, even taste tests, making garden knowledge super hands-on and totally fun. What's cooler? Families get to see how gardens change through the seasons. From waking up soil in spring, growing strong veggies in summer, harvesting in fall, to letting nature rest in winter. It's like watching a garden's own life story unfold, teaching kids where their food really comes from. And yep, this isn't just a cute community effort. It's about food security, making fresh, healthy food more accessible to everyone. That's where we at Farmonaut come in. Using satellite tech and AI, we help farmers and gardeners keep tabs on their crops, monitoring soil health, spotting stress early, and advising on the best ways to grow strong plants. Our tools make farming smarter and easier, so more folks can enjoy fresh produce like the ones featured on these walks. Imagine combining Farmonaut's real-time farming insights with StoryWalk's fun garden lessons. That's a recipe for healthier communities and happier kids. So next time you're exploring one of Machias's StoryWalks, know that behind the scenes, tech like ours is making sure those veggies grow just right, supporting sustainable food systems one step at a time. Stay curious, eat well, and keep walking toward a greener future.